Hello, I'm Leetta Schmidt, Copyright and Intellectual Property Librarian at the University of South Florida, and in this short video, we will be talking about derivatives. By the end of this video, you should have an improved understanding of collections, remixes, and Creative Commons ND and SA licenses. But this is not legal advice. If you are seeking advice about copyright law or Creative Commons licenses, I suggest contacting an intellectual property lawyer. One of the exclusive rights that copyright law grants to an author is that of making derivatives or adaptations. For the purposes of Creative Commons licenses, an adaptation is a work based on one or more pre-existing works. What constitutes an adaptation depends on applicable law. Derivatives can take many forms, like translations of a novel into a new language, a sequel to a story, a spin-off to a TV show, a new arrangement for a musical work, a movie of a book, a 3D reimagining of a 2D picture, and a remix of different musical arrangements. Derivatives are also referred to by many names: new versions, adaptations, remixes. For the purposes of this video, we will be using the term remix from now on. Understanding what a remix is not is just as important. Collections are often mistakenly thought of as remixes of content, but a collection is distinct from a remix in several ways. Collections are groupings of discrete and distinct items, like multiple stories in a collection of short stories, or like the berries in the bowl pictured on the left here. Each berry contributes its unique flavor to the bowl, but it is separable and distinct. If I took those same berries and mashed them together in a pie, like the picture on the right, I would have made a berry remix. The berries are still contributing their flavors to the whole, but they are no longer separable from each other. They are not distinct. A remix uses individual materials as ingredients to make something completely new. Creative Commons licenses offer options to creators to allow the creation of remixes or not, and if so, to require that remixes be shared with the same or a compatible license. Licenses that include ND, or no derivatives, like CC BY ND and CC BY NC ND, do not allow users to create remixes that they intend to share openly without obtaining special permission from the creator. Licenses that include SA, or share alike, require that users share their remixes of work with the same or compatible license. When using works in a collection, you must provide full attribution and licensing information to all of the individual works you have included, as I have done here with my collection of berry images. You can also license your specific copyrightable contribution to the collection as a whole. This could include the arrangement and formatting of the works and any additional content you have added. But what if I did want to make an adaptation using my collection of berry photos? I would have to make sure that the licenses of the works allow adaptations and are compatible with each other. This CC license compatibility chart can help with determining if the licenses of the multiple works that you want to use are compatible with each other. I can see right away that I would not be able to include DSC 0713 by DeNorth 1, as it is licensed under a CC BY ND or no derivatives license. Berry Pie by I'm Sorry is licensed under a CC BY NC SA, and all the others are licensed under CC BY, so they are compatible with each other. For my adaptation, I used Berry Pie by I'm Sorry, as well as Berry Bowl by Food Moods, Orange Berries by Oatsy40, and Pitanga by Mavocado. Since Berry Pie is licensed under an SA license, I will have to license my own work with a license that abides by the SA license requirements. The CC Adapters license chart was developed to help with this, and tells me that my adaptation must be licensed with a CC BY and CSA. When I share my adaptation, I should include attribution information for all the individual works I have included, as well as my own license information. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of derivatives, collections, remixes, and Creative Commons ND and SA licenses.